Hi, I'm Pete Karwacki. I'm running for council, Rito Rockcliffe. Standing at the corner of Lansdowne and an unknown spot where a dog walking path crosses into the lake shore of Lake MacKay, the mysterious lake inside the interior of Rockcliffe. The reason I'm speaking to you now is that this is a public resource, but it's never advertised. There's no sign, there's no indicator. The reason is because they really don't want you here. In fact, if you want to go swimming, you can't swim in MacKay Lake. You have to go to the smaller pond across the way. I'll show you that in a minute. But the point is that we want to make sure that our publicly accessed spaces do have certain amenities. At the very least, a little Johnny for senior citizens that have to go from time to time. In Ottawa, there is no public washroom strategy. At the least you can do is have an outhouse. So if you want change in the ward, you're going to have to vote differently. I suggest you vote wisely. Vote for Pete Karwacki.